Guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be giving us a tutorial on how to make a minimum of $10 on a daily basis. It sounds too good to be true, but this is true. This opportunity is available globally. You don't need to invest a dime, no withdrawal fee. The minimum withdrawal amount here is $2. Once you hit $2, you can withdraw this $2 immediately. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you practically how you can sign up on this platform, the different ways you are going to earn from this platform, and I also show you how you can withdraw your earnings from this platform. So you stick with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss any point, so that you can start making money for yourself regardless of your location. So let's dive right into the video immediately. You are welcome to this channel. If this is the first time of visiting this channel, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that when I drop the next tutorial on how to make money online for free, you'll be the first to see it, and you'll be able to do the exact same thing I'm doing to make money online for free. So I want to believe you have done that already. So let's dive right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to sign up on this platform. How do you do that? You navigate to the description of this video or the comment section, you see a pinned comment where you can click on the link there, and it will redirect you to the website of this platform, where you click register with Telegram or open with Telegram. Once you do that, it will bring you to the Telegram and you click on start. Once you click on the start button, you click on start earning. Once you click on that, you are automatically registered on the platform. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing you are going to do to start earning are what I'm going to show you right now. These are the different ways you can earn on the platform for free. Okay, so once you come here, navigate to where it says me. Okay, at the base it says me. So what you do there is to scroll down, click on login password, click on login password, click on it, set your login password and click on confirm. Once you are done with that, I want us to be fast so that we don't delay in this video. I don't want the video to be long. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on mine at the base here by your left hand side. Okay, click on mine. So the first way to earn on this platform is for you to mine. So this mining session takes 4 hours. Every 4 hours you come and claim 16 FAFO points. Okay, you come and claim 16 FAFO points. Then there's another way you can earn here, and that is the task. The two tasks here, check in daily. Every day you click on check in and you earn some points, free points, and you click on this follow the Telegram group. Once you click on it and join the Telegram group, you are done with that task and you earn some free points for yourself. So mining daily, mining that 4 hours mining, the task, the daily check-in. Then another way you can earn is to click on this team at the base too. You see team, you copy, you see share your link and start making money. Click on this copy. When you copy it, share on all your social media handles so that people can click on the link and register, and you can start earning points from them as well. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do to earn on this platform is for you to do what is called recharge. Another section that you can make money here is called recharge. Click on the recharge. Once you click on recharge, it will bring you here. Click on recharge, brings you here. These are the different options that you can use to recharge. Either you send USDT on the BEP20 network, or what is called Binance Smart Chain network, or you send USDT on the TRC20 network, or you send Tron, or you send BNB. So if you click on this BEP20 network, you see that they will show you an address to deposit address where you'll be sending the recharge amount. So these are the different ways you can do your recharge. So the minimum you can recharge here is 2 USDT. 2 USDT. From 2 USDT upwards, you can recharge. If you have 2 USDT, 10 USDT, 20 USDT, you can recharge here to increase your earnings. So let me show you what this recharge is about. So at the center here, still at the base, the center is upgrade. Click on it. When you click on that upgrade, scroll down a little, you are going to see miner level 01. Miner level 01 is say output 1000 FAFO, daily output 1000 FAFO, that is 2 USDT. Okay, and you'll be earning this 2 USDT for 1 year. And if the price for this package is 15 USDT, so if you have 15 USDT, you will just come here, click on buy it now. When you come here, when you come to this place, you put quantity of the USDT you want to buy. Be clicking it like this. Once it gets to 15, you can click on buy it now. Okay, then the next package here is 88 USDT. You'll be making 12 USDT on a daily basis. That is 6,000 FAFO. Okay, that is 12 USDT on a daily basis, and it will be valid for 1 full year. So this is how the packages are. This is how you'll be earning on this platform, just like that. Okay, once you make that one-time deposit, you'll be earning on a daily basis. And remember, minimum withdrawal is just 2 USDT. If you do this 15 USDT recharge, you are going to be earning $2 every day. So within 8 days, you have gotten back your 15 USDT plus extra 1 USDT as profit. So for 1 year, you'll be getting 2 USDT like that. So guys, you need to jump on this immediately. So another way you can earn here, so let me come back to this me. So it's through staking. Under this staking, you see financial product 01. Under this staking, if you stake 100 USDT here, you'll be getting 160 USDT at the end of the month. So you get back your 100 USDT capital and still get extra 60 USDT as profit. Then the next package is 60 days. Okay, this one is 60 days, that is 2 months. If you deposit 500 USDT, that like you stake 500 USDT here, you'll be getting 1250 USDT at the end of the 60 days. Okay, so just like that, the next one is 1000 USDT, and you'll be getting 6400 USDT at the end of 180 days. So guys, these are the ways you can invest on this platform. But without investing, you can still use all this task, use the mining, use the referral to even like earn on a daily basis on this platform. So you don't really need to actually invest to make money here. So guys, if you are getting value from this tutorial, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more amazing sites on how to make money online for free, completely free. Okay, so that you don't miss it. Immediately it drops, you see it, you do exactly what I'm doing, and you start making money for yourself as well. So let's go to the comment section and drop what you want me to do video on in my next video. So go to the comment section and share with me what do you want me to do video on. So let's click. You can, at this point now, I think you can click on the link to actually register. This is how you can withdraw. This is how you can withdraw quickly. If you come to me, click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, see, to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT, like I said earlier, 2 USDT. Once you earn up to 2 USDT, and that is 1000 FAFO. Once you make up to 1000 FAFO, you convert it. See, let me take you back. Come to this me, see where they wrote FAFO and USDT. Click on it. So put 1000 FAFO. Once you make up to 1000 FAFO here, see, is equivalent to 2 USDT. You click on it. Once you click on it, confirm, you can go back to this place and you click on withdraw. and you put your, whether from your Binance, your KuCoin, your Trust Wallet, your MetaMask, you copy the USDT address, that is the receiving address or the deposit address on the BEP20 network, that is Binance Smart Chain network, paste it here and you withdraw your 2 USDT. There is no fee, zero fee. There is no taxes. So your 2 USDT will still drop in your account. Okay, so that is it, guys. I need us to jump into this opportunity and start earning on a daily basis for free. You can also recharge, you can do your staking to earn more from this platform. See you in my next video. In my next video, I'll be dropping another video on how to make money online. This one is completely free. There's an app that I discovered. I'm preparing the video so that you'll be able to understand it properly. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. God bless you.